Okay, so today we're going to be changing the spark plugs on a 2009 Mazda 3. So first thing you have to do is you have to remove these, which they'll just screw right off. And now when you're changing spark plugs, it's always good to go ahead and clean off all of this. The reason you want to do that is that kind of insulates the heat, basically, so your motor will run hotter and stay hotter longer. Okay, so now you're gonna have these four little nuts there, and I'm gonna be using a 5/16 or an 8mm will work, but I only have a 5/16 in the deep socket, so I'm gonna take those off real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we have all of those out, start from the right side and work our way left. We're gonna grab this and just pull it, and you'll hear like a suction. Okay, so common things is how to know to change the boot. This one doesn't need change. There's no cracks in it, as you can see. It doesn't look rough. It looks newish. Looks pretty good, honestly. So this one won't need to be changed. Then again, you can always change all of them when you change your spark plugs. That's how you get to that. We look down in there, there's the spark plug. And to get the spark plugs out, you're going to need, I believe it's a 5/8. Yeah. 5/8 spark plug socket. So, you might want to use an extension. I have an extension, so that's what I'll be using. I'm going to take that out and I'll show you. Okay, so as you can see, the old one, it's quite burnt actually everywhere. You can see that it's actually quite burnt everywhere. So this is the new one that we're going to be putting in. So go ahead and do that real quick. I'll set the old one down. Okay, so see, you can no longer see it in there. Okay, so we're going to do this. Just put it down in here real good. And then we'll tip it down and got it in there and screw it in. Now, be very careful. Once you feel it tightened, be very careful to keep doing it, because you can actually strip these and the inside of it, and that's very bad. It's a lot more work, so just be easier with it. So we're going to put the first one in. I'll be right back. Okay, so the first spark plug was a success. Can't really see it. Okay, so now we're just going to put the boot back down in there. Push down on it. Make sure it's down there. Nice and good. There you go. And that's how you change the spark plug in a 2009 Mazda 3. Obviously, you just put your screw back in. Screw it down. And tighten it, obviously, and you'll be done. Hope this video helped. Remember, just try to clean this off when you do it. Spark plugs should be changed every 80,000 miles. So, best thing to do is keep a notebook of when they got changed, of what your mileage is when you changed them. That way you can try to keep up with it. Best thing to do is keep your car healthy, and keeping up with all that stuff will definitely keep it healthy and make it last longer. So again, I hope this video helped, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. I'll see you all next time.